We're proud to introduce the Ample Smart Backpack, the world's most advanced portable charging solution integrated directly into the fabric of a bag. I think that it should be easier to charge your phone and your laptop wherever you are without needing to find a power outlet. My life is lived on the go. I can't keep my laptop charged past noon. My phone needs to be plugged in before 3 p.m. I must have tried every portable charging system, portable battery. Most of them just don't get it done. What I really need is a serious charging solution that can power anything, anytime, anywhere. But the portable charging solution that I needed didn't exist, and I wanted to build it. And when I explained what I wanted to do to some engineering friends of mine, they wanted to help because they needed it too. We're proud to introduce the Ample Smart Backpack, the portable charging solution that we needed, and we think you might need too. And we're proud to have been named a 2015 CES Innovation Awards honoree in 2 categories, a testament to the engineering rigor that was put into the development of this product.
So I've been designing bags for over a decade, and the challenge here was that the bag wasn't just holding your devices, but you were also plugging your devices into the bag for them to be charged. I started to create illustration drawings where I would then send them to Tomoko, and she would start engineering the housings around those pieces, and then she would send them back, and I would tailor the bag design around her CAD data.
Our goal was to create a design that was truly intuitive for the user. And we wanted the electronics to almost disappear into the fabrics of the bag.
The Ample Smart Backpack can charge all of your devices overnight or throughout the day. We integrated a powerful custom-built battery that can recharge a smartphone 2 to 3 times. There's a USB port in every pocket, and you can add 3 expansion batteries for days that you need more power. The modular batteries charge rapidly when docked into the bag, but can also be removed and used separately. You can stick it in your coat pocket or your purse and take it to dinner with you, and you don't have to carry the bag with you to have that backup power. When we first thought about putting electronics into a backpack, we immediately worried, what happens if you drop it? So we added shock absorbers and an extra layer of foam all the way around, and we applied a water-resistant coating to all of the exterior fabrics to help keep the rain out. Have you ever forgotten your backpack at a coffee shop? The Ample Smart Backpack can alert you if you do. And we built a mobile app that'll monitor battery levels, connected devices, and smart sensors in the bag. Or you can use the OLED display and touch sensor to monitor the vitals inside of the bag without ever opening a zipper. Ample is a talented team of designers and engineers with decades of experience launching new products. More importantly though, we're commuters, travelers, coffee shop dwellers, and on-the-go doers. And we needed a more ample bag.
London, Paris, New York, Shanghai. Petty theft is common in major cities around the world. According to recent numbers, 400,000 pickpocket incidents occur every day around the world, and these are just the reported numbers. In the metro, a lot of commuters use this goofy way of wearing day bags in the front to outsmart the pickpockets. As a solution to this, the Dutch award-winning brand XT Design has come up with a revolutionary zero-entry anti-theft backpack. Different from normal bags, its genius lies in its unique rear-open structure with hidden zipper fully fitted into your back. In addition to that, high-density and lightweight materials have been added into the fabric, which protects your bag from being slashed or crushed. As a powerful weapon against thieves, it is named Bobby. This backpack comes with a dozen of edge-cutting features like anti-theft, cut-proof, water-resistant, weight balance, night security, USB external charging, etc. How thoughtful! Have you ever imagined being cuddled by a bag 12 hours a day? Our man Sven, 28 years old, like many office workers, he spends 2 hours on the metro every day. Arriving at the ticket barriers, he's already way ahead of others. 3 hidden pockets have been specially designed for quick access to small items. Super convenient. Inside the subway station, he feels safe and secure. The backpack's unique anti-theft feature is reflected in the design. The zipper pulls to the main compartment are completely hidden against your back, leaving nothing but the puzzles to thieves. No wonder he appears so relaxed. Now it's time for work. He starts to prepare for his day. Impressive! Thanks to the multi-divider structure, this small bag has ample storage on the inside and so organized. Isn't that cool? To help you combat the uncertainties, this bag is also spill and stain resistant. Your bag will look brand new. Just wipe it with a cloth. The back panels are made of Mash Constructure breathable material, ergonomically designed to bring you extra comfort while you wear your bag all day. Since the weight leans firmly against your back, weight is distributed more evenly, and your back will feel 20% lighter than traditional backpacks. Watch out, you may become addicted to it. After a long day, is your mobile phone running on just one bar? No need to panic. Simply connect the phone to the external charging port. No need to take out your power bank from inside. So easy. Nowadays, people lead busy and hectic lives, and public security systems are not always reliable. How can we feel safer, gain back our stride of confidence and freedom?
Let's talk about a perfect urban adventure. It's all about keeping the city in reach and your favorite gear at hand and secure. It's about being free, mobile, and having just what you need and nothing you don't. The Vortex Shield is a handmade leather masterpiece. It's made with fit and practicality in mind, redesigned from the ground up to reimagine a perfect urban bag. Slim, tough, rugged, made to last a lifetime. Vortex is a sweet spot in between large, bulkier bags and small carry-alls. It's designed for a day-long adventure, commute, or day in the town. Vortex Shield is bomb-proof and shielded against identity theft. It will keep your gear on you feeling light, comfortable, and above all, safe, with various positions for carry. It's perfect, a hive of pockets to take with you just what you love, from cameras to smart devices, small tablets, your favorite read, a flask, and all the stuff you love. Inside you can pick and choose pockets for all your needs. Some are hidden, some in view, all beautifully designed. Handmade one at a time, from us to you.